You just full of this, pull your floss, and hey, welcome to my channel. It's your girl, the Myeshia Shantal. If you're new and you want to be a part of the crew, hit that subscribe button below. But if you're returning, thank you so much for your unconditional support, because you're a real one. Okay, so what this video is going to be about today is braces essentials. It's your to-go, what you need when you have braces. And I really can't project my voice as much just because I'm feeling a little bit under the weather, and so I'm gonna still make this video for y'all. So let's just get right to it. It's just gonna be quick, simple, short, to the point, nothing more, nothing less. So these are the things I think everyone should need when you have braces, and these are to-go items, like items that you need to keep on you at all times. Okay, so I just really woke up with my throat being really sore, and I'm in anatomy and physiology too, and we just learned about the respiratory system and just like in your lymph nodes and all that. That's that nerd shit. But that's besides the point. So let's just hop into the video. So this is a bag that I always carry with me. It's just a clear bag. You can get it from Walmart if you don't want people to see your items. You can also get a bag that is not clear, but I don't care. And I always keep it in my purse, or my, if I don't carry a purse, it's in my book bag. And so the first item, this is weird, but I always keep chapstick on me. Chapstick, because my lips be chapped, and I gotta keep them glossy. This is essential for when you're having braces. The next one, let me just take all this shit out. Okay. So definitely, I don't know if y'all can, is it gonna focus? Anywho, definitely keep ibuprofen, just because your mouth is gonna be in pain, and you just need acetaminophen to keep the pain away. So definitely keep some ibuprofen on you for pain. Mouthwash, toothbrush, and my toothpaste is in my bathroom, my little to-go one. But yes, so extra to-go toothbrush, some mouthwash, and toothpaste. And then you definitely need floss. You need floss, because when you're eating, you're gonna want to brush your teeth after your meals. You're gonna want to rinse your mouth with mouthwash, and then you're gonna want to floss because you don't want the food particles to get stuck in your teeth to build bacteria up. Blase, blase, all that. And with floss, you can, these are you get these from your orthodontist, and what they basically do is, I'm gonna see. So I don't, I don't know if y'all can see that. You can see it. You can see it right here. And so you just, this is a floss thingy. I don't know. It's called Gum Easy Through Floss Threaders. And so you get them from your orthodontist, and so you take a piece of floss, I don't know why I took this long ass piece, and you just stick it through like that. Ooh. See, and then I usually have on nails, so I usually use them when I have on my nails, but I don't now. So you just full of this, pull your floss, and just start flossing. That is what this is for. It helps you with the floss. And then the next thing is, of course, you need wax. I got this from my orthodontist, and as you can tell, I've been using it so much. I only have 2 more. So my next appointment, I'm gonna go get some more. And the wax is for when your braces or your brackets are cutting the inside of your mouth. It keeps down with it, rubbing against it. It helps with the soreness, because literally the inside of your mouth is going to be so raw from having braces. And the last thing is this thingy. I don't know what it's called, but it's basically, it helps with like getting stuff out your teeth. It's like a little miniature toothbrush, but I don't know, like, and it's flexible. I just found it out. I didn't know it did that, but this is, oh my gosh. Anywho, but this is like a miniature toothbrush that you can use. It helps to get food particles, plaque, everything out your teeth. And so guys, that was my braces essentials bag, what I keep in my bag, which you always need wherever you go. Keep it in your purse, keep it in your book bag, whatever. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking below, and also turn on that bell notification so you know when I post. If you want me to post more braces video, just give it a thumbs up, comment below as well. And thank you again for watching, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment below. See you guys next time.